There are over 50 categories and over 20,000 products available on Nihao Dropshipping website. Select the items you want to sell on the category pages or product pages and add them to the import list. Go to the imported list section, choose a product, and then click the Edit button to edit product title, collection, type, tag, product description, variants, and images. The Shipping Cost button allows you to estimate the shipping cost of the product. Once you have edited the item, click the Push to Shop button to import it into your store. For a batch listing, select the products and then click the Book Push to Shop button to finish. If you have more than one store, select the correct store in the top right corner before importing. The imported products will be displayed in the Imported Success section. Click the Edit on Shopify button or the Edit on WooCommerce button to go to your store's product editing page, so you are able to modify product information again. Click the Open on Shop button to go to the product page on your shop.